The peregrine falcon, Falco peregrinus, is the fastest animal on Earth when diving, reaching speeds of up to 242 miles per hour. Hunting technique: peregrine falcons soar to great heights before diving steeply and at their prey. Speed: the peregrine falcon's diving speed is unmatched by any other animal. Appearance: the peregrine falcon has bluish-gray feathers on top and white to yellowish-white underparts with black bars. Conservation status: the peregrine falcon is listed as a species of least concern on the IUCN Red List of threatened species. For more videos like this, subscribe.